Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff from Moving Your Energy Brand Differently, where we help you move your communication branding in ways that improve the quality of your daily life and business. If you're new here and receive some insights and useful tools, please make sure that you click the subscribe button below and the links to everything that we mention in this video, which you can find in the description box below. So let's start to move differently. Interpersonal skills are behaviors used every day, skills needed to achieve better results in dealing with different people during stressful situations and getting along with others. Listening is one essential skill, and that is being heard. You can hear all sides of a situation. Using body language such as eye contact and a smile are two other valuable skills to develop. Empathy and decision making help you better problem solve and identify a specific situation along with implementing the solution. Nonverbal communication and using the written word plus speaking in front of two or more people are all needed skills for success in daily life and in your career. Why do you need these skills? A lot of people ask me. When employers are hiring, interpersonal skills are the most critical elements they use to evaluate a person. They want to know if you can get along with coworkers and form connections, establishing healthy relationships and building rapport. They want to know that. Another important reason is that you're working more closely with a more significant number of people than ever before in history. It doesn't matter how nice or rude you are, which is processing interpersonal communication skills. If communication instruction is confusing, you must have both skills working in your favor. Start developing the best of these skills. Keep moving your energy brand differently. I'm Kerry Ruff.